What's good, people? I'm back. What's good, people? She got skg.jpg. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. I got an exclusive unboxing of the upcoming Patta 2024 Chlorophylls. Original release was in 2009. Dropping this Friday the 13th, celebrating the 20th anniversary of Patta. Black-owned business. We love to see it. So yeah, let's jump right in. First things first, we love a box. If you know me, you know that boxes are one of the main things that I look at when it comes to buying a shoe. I'm not interested in a shoe that has a board box. This one, it obviously differs from the original 2009 release because it's a special box for the 20th anniversary. 2004, that's when Patta was founded, to 2024, which is today. So we open it up, pretty standard. We do get some spare laces. They are on the shoe, but I'm not gonna lie, this isn't the first time I'm opening this box.
So the first thing to notice is that it uses the original chlorophyll green denim fabric, which is an incredible touch. I can't believe they did that. It's sick. And then you can also see that it has familiar details like the original Patta block logo that's on the tongue. Super high quality mesh. You can also see new touches like the €20 insole. It's so detailed. It's really comfy. It's true to size. So stick with the original size when you do go for this pair.
So guys, that's my review of the Patta 2024 Chlorophylls. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini unboxing and review. I have to say, shout out Patta. Their releases always remind me of why I got into sneakers, crepes, trainers, whatever you want to call them. They're definitely a store and community that is for the community. They are very much true to the essence of doing it for necessity and love, not for profit. It's a release that always kind of ignites a spark within the sneaker scene, especially the London OG sneakerhead community, and I particularly love to see it. Like, I love to be reminded of the essence of why people started collecting. I think that they're incredible to do that. I think that their releases are always incredible. They're always up there in terms of quality, colorways, uniqueness, and authenticity to the brand. So yeah, shout out Patta. I hope you guys get a pair. Let me know. And yeah, until the next time. Peace.